Alright, this is in the historic part of the building. We got another Kone elevator here. This one is not call locked. Elevator C, I missed one. Probably another Kone. That's fine. Probably just a service elevator too, if I had to guess. Let's get a look outside. Oh, this is neat. This is what the hotel floors look like. This is definitely a really neat historic building here. Makes me wonder, I bet it did have an old elevator before this one. I wonder what that clanking sound is. There's the Stella Hotel. Oh, interesting. This is a totally different part. Anyway. That little